What up, y'all? It's your boy Vic Johnson from the Sac Black Nation Station. Hope you're having a good day, good week, good month, and a good year. As you come on in, go ahead and hit that like, hit that share, subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Once again, hit that like, hit that share, hit the subscribe button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Thought I'd jump on here real quick because we're getting to the end of the year and see how you guys are doing with your Acorn Challenge and find out if you've been sticking with the Acorn and consistently putting $5 into your Acorn account, and if you have, I'm sure your account has grown to a couple of thousand at this particular time. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing and to let you know that we're going to stick to this plan and take it from 5,000 to 15,000 because that's what we want to do. We'll let some people know why we're doing the challenge. We're doing the challenge because of this, because the average person doesn't have $400 in their bank account, and we want to be well beyond the average person. We want to have resources on hand just in case we need to pay for some unexpected bills. If we have things that we want to do, we got some things that we want to buy, anything that we want to get into. We want to have those resources on hand, and we don't want to be stressing out over money. We want money to be a problem that just goes away, evaporates. We don't want to have problems with money at all, and that's why we do the Acorn Challenge. That's why I implore you guys to get into it, and I'm going to put a link below. If you haven't started the Acorn Challenge, you can start today. If you didn't start with us a long time ago, a year and a half ago, it's still not too late. You can get started right now to start building your wealth for your kids, your grandkids, mother, father, brother, daughter, sister, brothers, whatever you want to do, however you want to do it for yourself. Build your black wealth, and that's exactly what you want to do. I implore you to do it. Now, like I said, I'm gonna put a link down below so we can get started today and make sure that you're well on the way to taking care of your business the way you want to take care of. Once again, this is Vic Johnson from the Sac Black Nation. Just Google it if you want to know what we do and how we get down, and understand that we are all about the economic freedom of every black man, woman, and child. And like I said, we want to take your $5, and by consistently investing this $5, 365 days out of the year, you don't take a day off. You just put that $5 in an Acorn account, and we want to see your account grow to $15,000. We want to just see it continuously grow to 15 grand, and we're going to keep doing this. Every time that we get to $100 in this particular account, we're going to do an update. So we want you. We're going to go along with you. We're going to work along with you. We're going to go right alongside of you and grow your account specifically to that $15,000 mark. Just as long as you're very consistent, consistent in what it is that you're trying to do. Make sure you put that $5 into that Acorn account every single day. And like I said, we're going to give you guys an update. I'm a little late on this update because we're already at about $2,900 and $2,936. So we're a little late on this, but let me show you guys where we at with our Acorn account and give you a quick update real quick. So as you can see, this account has grown to 2,900. Oh, get it right, Vic. $2,936. It's grown to $2,936, and that's just by consistently putting $5 into an Acorn account and watching it grow over time. We're going to keep doing this, let this account grow, because we do not want to be the average person. We want to be well beyond average, and you can change your life by just making simple changes. Instead of taking your little $5 and getting that latte, taking that $5 and doing whatever it is that you do, why don't you just forgo the latte, forgo getting that Pepsi, forgo doing some other things, and just take that $5 and put it into an Acorn account and watch it grow over time. Let that thing grow to $15,000. Why not? Because you can. Just the small little changes that you make, it can mean big things for your life. Now, before I go, I understand that we're getting to the end of the election cycle, and I want to say this. I hope whomever that you voted for won, whomever you voted for. I hope that you got what it is that you were looking for. But remember this. It really doesn't matter who's in the White Office. I think that's the White Office, right? Who's ever in the White House, it really doesn't matter. Who's ever in that office, it does not matter. What matters is, did you do yesterday? Did you do yesterday to take yourself into position that you want you in today? It doesn't matter who's in the White House today, but did you do yesterday to put yourself in a better position today? And one more time, it doesn't matter who's in the White House today. Did you do yesterday what's going to put you in a better position today? That's about it, man. I showed you guys. I'm going to give you another update. I'll probably give you an update in a couple of days because this account is going to go to $3,000 fairly quickly, just to show you that it does work if you stick to the plan. Once again, this is your boy Vic Johnson from the Sack Black Nation. Sorry if I was a little bit oddball, whatever. I'm kind of chilling today, having a couple of brews, chilling, but I had to give you guys the update. So I'm gonna give you another update when this account goes to $3,000. It's probably going to be in a few days anyway, so I'll update you guys when this account has gone to $3,000. Well, hey, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a good day, good week, good month, and a good year. Remember, civil liberties without civil dollars is nonsense. You only earning and learning life. You only lose when you do not try, and you got lessons and you have blessings. So please stay blessed. Other than that, please go ahead and hit that like, hit that share, subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Yeah, check out the link below if you want to get started with Acorn. If you want to hit me up at sackblacknet@gmail.com, I'll give you a free book. If you hit me up at sackblacknation@gmail.com, I'll send you a free book. That's cool. If you want my books, you can go out to Amazon, check out Okay Now What. That's available on Amazon. If you want a couple of other books, we got Stop Flipping, The New Side Hustle, available on Etsy. And also, The Secret to Creating Black Wealth is also on Etsy. So, hey, man, we got some more videos coming out pertaining to stock flipping. Stock flipping, man. If you don't know about stock flipping, get to know it. Get to know stock flipping. Stock flipping could actually make you $100 a week and every day, just out of 10 to 15 minutes every day, you can make over $100 a week stock flipping. Real talk. Other than that, man, I'm gonna get out of here. I got some links below. Click on those links, and it'll take you to where you want to go as far as getting to those books or signing up for Acorn. Other than that, man, let me get out of here. Peace and love. I love y'all all. And like I said, man, I got to get back to my brews. I'm tripping over my words and whatnot. But I love all of y'all. Thank you. Let me go. Peace.